In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Clio desktop app. By the end, you'll have Clio running in its own clean, dedicated window, just like a traditional desktop application, making it quicker to open and easier to keep focused on your work. First, open Clio in your web browser so you're on the main page you use every day. This process works best in modern browsers like Chrome or other Chromium-based browsers because they include a built-in feature that turns websites into desktop apps. Give the page a moment to fully load so your browser recognizes it correctly. Now look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is your browser's main menu, and it's where the app installation option lives. Click that menu to open it. You'll see a long list of tools and settings. Don't worry about most of them. We're heading to a specific area that controls how you save and share pages. From that menu, click Cast, Save and Share. This section collects actions related to the current page, and it's where the browser exposes the option to install a site as an app. If your window is narrow, you might see a compact version of this section. Simply hover or click to expand it so all options are visible. Next, click Install Page as App. This tells your browser to create a streamlined app-like version of Clio. What this does behind the scenes is set up a standalone window without the standard browser tabs and address bar, so Clio feels like a native desktop program. It also places a shortcut in your operating system so you can launch it directly without opening your browser first. After a moment, you'll notice Clio opens in its own window with a cleaner interface. Going forward, use the new shortcut that appears in your applications list, Start Menu or Launchpad, to open Clio the same way you'd open any other desktop app. This makes multitasking easier, reduces distractions from other tabs, and keeps Clio front and center when you're managing your work. If you don't immediately see the new shortcut, check your system's app list or search by the app name. You can keep both the desktop version and the regular browser tab experience side by side, but most people prefer launching the desktop-style window for a more focused workflow. That's all there is to it. Open Clio, use the three-dot menu, select Cast, Save and Share, and choose Install Page as App. Enjoy a faster, cleaner way to access Clio every day.